Do you think secular votes have been distributed?
Of course, definitely the secular votes have been definitely. Take for example, one state like Goa. There are Congress, TMC, and OP. If these people are united, or definitely the secular parties would have ruled Goa. There is a clear case because even there the BJP won there because of the split in the secular votes.
Fighting alone, like single parties fighting alone.
Uh,
Do you think?
no, I have also commented. You see, when you take the overall vote percentage in the country between the communal parties and the secular parties, other than communal parties vote percentage, definitely the percentage of vote polled for the secular party is more than the percentage of vote polled for the communal. That is, for example, take in this only in UP 46% only, but the rest of 54% have voted for secular parties, one or the other. If these votes have been consolidated, whereas the Hindu votes have been consolidated, whatever, whether it is 46% or 30%, whatever it is. I am not saying that BJP has got all the Hindu votes. All the votes they got are Hindu votes. But there may be some other votes. But the majority of them, they have consolidated. Whereas the 54% of the UP votes, which are secular votes, have been divided between SP, Congress, BSP, and then AM, MIM. These are all the parties who have 1%, 2%, 0.4% as shares have been divided. So naturally, it has benefited BJP to come to power.
Has the Hindutva ideology has worked again? It's been working again and again. Do you think even this time also it has worked?
Yes, at least I can say this in UP. UP is the why it is important. Whether you see people mandate should be respected, but UP has become an experiment in fostering communalism in the country. So communalism is UP, in particular UP, is a very dangerous trend for secularism in the country.
Okay. So the five states election results, will it help BJP in Karnataka for upcoming assembly polls?
No, I don't think so. It is not possible. See, every state has a different, because here the North UP, when you look into the other states other than UP in these five states, it is a division of clear division of Manipur, or you see Manipur, two secular parties were fighting, MPP and all that. So BJP, that is why they came. So BJP now, it is BJP versus other parties. So naturally there is a division, and it has. Otherwise, that will not be the case here, at least in Karnataka.
So, as a senior leader from Congress, and what suggestion would you like to give to the Congress party in Karnataka and how they should prepare themselves for upcoming assembly polls?
You see, first of all, they should unite the internal fight, because for they are fighting. When the party is not going to come to power, you're fighting for individuals, has no meaning. So the congressmen should get united, the leaders should be united, and they should have one purpose, is to defeat BJP and to come to power. Whoever leader comes, become the chief minister, or whoever is immaterial for Congress. Unless that spirit is there among the Congress leaders in Karnataka, it is difficult here also. If we go with a fighting, that is what happened in Punjab. People didn't like it. Sidhu fighting and Amaran Singh fighting, each other fighting, and people don't. See, we forget, while fighting, we'll forget we are not the master, people are the master. They are watching us. So, the Punjab is a good lesson, because there, I don't say it is communalism or anything. The people had decided, because of the Congress internal fighting in Punjab, they decided to change. They are not willing to go with the Akalis. So naturally, AAP party was making an inroad much ahead of that. They had already won twice parliament seats in Lok Sabha seats. So they had a presence. Silently they worked and took advantage of the infighting. And then Congress, it is totally Punjab we lost. It is because of the High Command's inconsistency in taking the proper timely action and infighting and to cut this thing. This is the reason why we lost Punjab.